Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to review Realmebook for you guys. So I bought this product from Flipkart in a big billion day. So I received this product for rupees like 41,000, and I believe like this is absolutely a great deal because I've seen that this model costs around like 45,000 rupees. So I got this product for 41,000 on the big billion day, and let's open it and have a first look. Okay, so this laptop, I can feel like this is something similar to MacBook because it actually looks like a MacBook Air. This is a Realmebook. So let's see its fit and finish. The build quality of this laptop is really amazing because it's completely aluminum body, so this has a very good build quality. As expected, that we have seen many pictures in Flipkart and all, so I can assure you the same quality as seen in the picture. So this laptop has two USB jack and also two USB-C jack and one USB jack, and also an earphone jack there. So you can see that it's very well polished laptop, and the Realmebook looks really premium. So here you can see two USB-C, one is Thunderbolt jack and one is for USB-C type, C to C. So let's keep this laptop aside and let's see what is in the box. So here I already opened this box when I received this product. I just opened it for you guys to know how this laptop looks just out of the box. So here you can see this is a SuperDAT 65 watts charger which charges this laptop around like 50% in 30 minutes, like 0 to 50% in 30 minutes, and this charger is very handy and very light and easy to carry. That's the main part, and that's the best part I like about this charger. And this is USB-C to C type charger. And let's see this laptop. So see, I already told you before that this laptop actually looks like a MacBook Air in the first look. So it's a 3:2 display aspect ratio. So for those who are students and those who are working from office and those who are working professionals, it's a very good laptop for you guys. So, and this laptop has got a fingerprint scanner that is super fast, that you can see in every smartphones. So it's kind of the same quality, so it's like kind of like super fast, like just tap there and the laptop will be unlocked very quick. So I'm gonna turn it on here. So this is a nice look of this laptop. So I hope everyone like this laptop because this laptop has a backlit keyboard. So that's it guys about the first look of this Realmebook. So I will share more updates regarding this laptop on my channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below your questions, I'll answer you, and have a great day.